How to switch from personal to business WhatsApp. In this video, I'll show you how to switch from WhatsApp personal to WhatsApp business quickly and safely. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Before switching, it's a good idea to back up your chats. Open your personal WhatsApp, go to settings, then tap on chats. Here, click on this chat backup option. Then tap backup now to save your chats. Now go to Google Play Store or App Store and download the WhatsApp Business app. On App Store, click on the search bar on the bottom right corner, then click on the search bar and type in WhatsApp Business app. Now scroll down and click on this logo. You'll see a Get button here. Click on it to download it. And after the verification, your download will be started. It may take some time depending on your internet speed. After your WhatsApp Business is downloaded, you can see open button there. Click on open and verify the same phone number you used in your personal WhatsApp. This allows you to transfer your chats smoothly. When prompted, tap restore to bring all your personal chats into WhatsApp Business. After restoring, set up your business profile by adding your business name, category, hours, and a profile picture. And that's it. This is how you switch from WhatsApp personal to WhatsApp business. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.